Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by making a quick backup and confirming this is practical, My Cloud or local copy. Once done, inspect battery health and free up at least 1/3 of storage so the system can breathe. Next, reboot directly into safe mode to isolate apps. If the reboot stops, a third-party app is likely. Follow each step deliberately. You are eliminating variables fast, so the deeper fixes later will target the real cause. You now move into targeted fixes. First, install the latest MIUI stable update. Manufacturers often patch runaway services. Then boot to recovery and wipe only the cache partition. This clears temporary files without erasing data. If safe mode suggested an app issue, remove recent installs and reboot between each uninstall to observe changes. Also check developer options for background process limits or aggressive battery optimizers, and reset them to default to prevent unintended restarts. You finish with decisive closure. If software fixes fail, perform a factory reset after exporting a verified backup and removing My/Google account so activation is smooth. Once reset, test for stability. If restarts persist, suspect hardware like a failing battery or contact issue and consult service. One key troubleshooting tip: enable log capture with a dblogcat or a monitoring app to catch crash traces. The logs show why the reboot happened and guide whether software or hardware is at fault.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.